Hey guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a SIPS buy for September. Do you want to see what teas they sent me? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I just got my SIPS buy for September. This is my tea subscription. They are $15 a month, but if you use my code Crafty5, you get your very first box for $10. You get $5 off. So their link will be down below with the code, and let's go ahead and see what we have in here. They do have a profile that you get to set, so you can tell them what types of teas that you do want, and they tailor your profile specifically based on, your box is tailored specifically based on your profile. So I haven't really seen anybody get them all the same because again, it's all based on what your profile is. So this is the card, and on the back of the card it says made for Tracy, because again, it's by my profile. Now my profile, I have it say pretty much anything and everything, so I can show you guys a variety of teas, and I like tea anyway, so it's always a win-win for me. Let me go ahead and kind of put these in a little bit of an order here, because they give you so many of them to try out. This one missed, there's nothing in here. This one missed the product inside, but these three have it inside. So that's what it's supposed to look like. It's like a little ball of tea, and it says on here, citrus ginger tea drops. Again, one of mine came completely empty, so it missed the tea part of it. This says caffeine free, but let's see what this thing here says. Citrus ginger tea drops. So what it says for this guy right here, citrus ginger, 1 drop per 8 to 12 ounces, organic raw sugarcane, organic dried orange peel, organic dried ginger, organic dried spearmint, organic orange extract, organic lemon extract, caffeine free, a bright and refreshing blend of orange, lemon, and crushed ginger. This caffeine-free tea smooths and awakens at the same time. You're just a drop away from a perfect cup of tea. 15% off with code SIPSBYCREW at My Tea Drop. So orange, lemon, and ginger. Ooh, I can't wait to try that. That sounds amazing. And so I have 3 that have tea in there and 1 container or 1 pack. So the next one right here would be this number 72, and this says white petal full leaf white tea. Low caffeine, delicate shade dried white tea leaves from China's Huan Providence are naturally high in antioxidants, chamomile, and osmanthus. Add fragrant, toasty, creamy, light, slightly sweetened flavor. 20% off with code SIPSBY20 at Smith Tea Maker. And then there is the back. And we have 4. We have 4 of those. Next we have is this Asheville Tea Company Jasmine Gold, jasmine green tea, jasmine flower, and chrysanthemum flower. This guy here says it's medium caffeine. Jasmine scented green tea is combined with whole jasmine flowers, are locally grown chrysanthemum flowers. It's a floral delight to uplift your spirits at any time of day. And you can use code SIPSBY ATC to get 15% off at AshevilleTeaCo.com. And I got 3 of those. So there's 3 of those. Local craft tea. Then the last one is right here. This is a black tea. High caffeine. This tea is a British family business with a long tradition. They supply tea to the royal collection, including Buckingham Palace. 20% off plus free shipping with SIPSBY20 code at ashmodtea_USA. And then there's the back. And we got 4 of those. So that is everything that came in my monthly box. So I have 4 of these guys right here. I have 3 of this. I have 4 of this white petal, And then I have 3 of these Tea Drop Citrus Ginger, which I'm so excited about these. And then my next one would be this one that I'm gonna try out. So again, if you guys wanna try them out, you get amazing new teas to try every month, and they're always different. I don't think I've really got the same teas, and I've been getting this for several months. They've been sending me this to show you guys. And I don't recall ever getting the same teas in my box just yet. Hey you guys, so I have a quick update regarding my SIPS Buy subscription and partnership with them. As you know, they do send me this box to review for you guys, and the stipulation was they would send the box, when I first signed up, they would send the box as long as we're doing the video. So as long as I put up the video, they would send me another box, and so on and so forth until I stopped putting up the videos and they would stop sending them, which I'm fine with. But today I received an email from them, and this is what it says. So apparently this probably would have went to every single influencer who is getting their box sent to them for review. Ready? Hi there, SIPS Buy partners. We're making some important changes to our partnership program and wanted to give you a quick update. From this point on, all of our partners will receive their boxes within the first week of every month. This is something that several of you who receive boxes later in the month have requested. This will begin for your September boxes. For all of those who have already received August box in mid to late August, you don't need to make separate pieces of content for each box unless you choose to. Along with delivering all of your boxes the first week of the month, we will also expect your content by the 15th of every month. Expect your content by the 15th of every month. If your box doesn't come in time, or if the month there you can't get your content up by the 15th, feel free to send me or my colleague an email, and we're happy to work with you. I know that the 1 to 2 week time frame may not be feasible for some of you, so we're offering the option to switch to receiving boxes and making SIPS Buy content every other month or seasonally. If you choose every other month, your content for your September box will be due October 15th, and then you'd receive your next box the first week of November. If you choose seasonal, your September box will be due November 15th, and you'd receive your next box the first week of December, and so on, as long as you are partnered with us. Failure to stick to these timelines without communicating to us may result in your next box being skipped, and regular failure to meet the timelines could result in termination of our partnership program. Don't worry too much about this, although as long as you communicate with us, you'll be fine, and we'll never skip or cancel you without letting you know. So I ask that all of you reply to this email letting me know that you have read and whether you'll be making content for us once a month, every other month, or seasonally. Please also let me know if you have any questions about the changes. We appreciate your partnership while we streamline and improve our partnership program. So I was a little confused by the bi-monthly and seasonal option because, quite frankly, I have been thinking about my channel and what boxes do better versus what boxes don't do as good. And quite honestly, my SIPS Buy do not get very many views. Yes, there are some that watch it, but it's a tea subscription. Not everybody's into tea subscription. So I feel that I would push my boxes that are more relevant and more popular before the ones that are less popular. That makes sense. So like, why would I put up a box that gets less views before a box that gets more views or is more popular or people want to see before the tea subscription box? So I've been thinking a lot lately, and I've been wanting to email them and ask them if I can hold, like 3 boxes. Once I get the 3rd box, do 3 months at a time to show you guys, because then I'm not doing 1 box every month that you guys might not want to see. But maybe if I do 3 in 1 month, that might be more likely for you guys to watch, maybe. So I was contemplating on whether if I should just drop this subscription or ask them if I could do that. So once I got this email, I'm like, okay, this is a perfect time for me to figure this out. So I wrote back and I said, I am confused on the bi-monthly or seasonal options. If I select seasonal for conversation purposes, will you send me the box every month and then I can unbox 3 boxes at one time, or are you only sending 1 box? So she wrote back and said, good question. Sorry for the confusion. For seasonal and bi-monthly, it would continue to be 1 box per video. Let me know if you have any other questions. And I'm like, so you're still only going to send 1 box. So either way, it's still going to be 1. So I wrote back and I said, thank you for the clarification. I was going to email you guys and ask if I could hold the boxes and do 3 at one time, like to show 3 boxes worth at one time, as to be honest, your box does not do that great on my channel. Like the numbers are low and I don't mind unboxing it, but you are not going to delegate when I post for that reason. It is unfair for you to tell influencers to post by the 15th of every month when the views of everyone's channel are really low for your box. If that's the way you're going to conduct yourself now, then you can take me off your list. Then she writes, I will cancel your partnership. Thank you for letting me know. That's it. That was it. No, thank you for your time and your effort and everything that you've done for our videos thus far. Sorry to see you go. Let me go ahead and, try to, nothing. No, thank you at all. I work in customer service. I've worked in customer service since I've been 15 years old. I'm almost 40. I've been in customer service for a very long time. I have to greet people with a smile on my face if I want to or not. I have to say hello, thank you, how can I help you, have a good day. I have to be that way. Even if they're the worst customer in the world and they are being a major pain in the ass, I still have to conduct myself as a customer service representative and be the bigger person and keep a smile on my face. Well, thank you. Have a nice day. That's just what you do in customer service. So I literally have put a lot of time and effort in their videos. My first few that I did, I literally brewed every single one of them, set them down here in front of me. I taste tested all of them for you guys, and I have never seen anybody else do that. So I do put more effort in my videos. I try to put things together. I try to make certain things, show you how things work. I try to set my videos aside and do a little bit more during my unboxings or my reviews or whatever I'm doing for you guys. So for somebody to just be like, okay, you're canceled, that's like a slap in my face for everything that I have done thus far. How many customers I brought, how many videos that I've sat and countlessly had to record, had to upload, had to set all my descriptions, my tags and everything. Like, you guys don't know, it does take, if you are an influencer, then you do know, but it does take a lot of time to get one video up, with the time to film, the editing, the uploading, the downloading, everything that comes into it. There's a lot involved. There is a lot involved, and this is not my job. This is not my job. I work 6 days a week. So for a company to sit here and tell us we have to, or they expect us to load by a specific date, that's unfair. Some people have full-time jobs like I do. Some people are moms and wives and homemakers and whatever. They have other things that they need to do in their home life or in their personal life than to sit down and make sure that they do a video within a week's time. Because if they're not going to ship the boxes out till the first week, you could get at the very end of that week. The 15th could be the following week. You might even have less than a week to do it depending on when they ship the box. And that's solely unfair. That is not fair, for one, for a company to tell us as influencers when to post videos, because again, they're not paying us to do it. Yes, they might be sending us the box to review, but that's where it ends. You should be lucky that I even get the box up in the same month that it's in, because quite frankly, I don't have to get it up within a specific time. I do it as I can, and that's how I do all my boxes. But I then wrote back and I was like, not even a thank you for your time and efforts in showcasing your company, not even a thank you for the customers that I've brought to your company, not even a thank you for the time that I put into my videos that I've already done, just you're canceled. Thank you for canceling me on your partnership, as I do not want to work with an ungrateful company to begin with. Have a wonderful day. Because that is completely ungrateful for you to reach out to your influencers and say, this is how it's going to be, this is how you're going to do it. That's unfair to the influencers. We should be able to get them up, and they should just appreciate the fact that we're showcasing their video, we're bringing their product to you guys, because we don't have to. I don't have to sit down and do any of these videos, because this is not my job. This is just something that I do because I enjoy it and I want to bring new and exciting things to you guys, and I want to get different boxes. So if it's a bad box, guess what? You won't have to waste your time and money, because you're going to see me waste my time and money, but I'm doing it to help you guys. And I just think it's completely unfair of a company to tell somebody when and where they need to do it, and then when
an influencer as myself is not agreeable to your terms, you don't even thank them for all of the time and effort that they put in to making your videos. Like, you guys, I'm serious. I've sat here and brewed all 4 cups, sat here and drank all 4 of them. I've done them with our niece here. I've done so many different things with this box. And recently I've just been showing the tea because it's so much of my time and I don't get a whole lot of views, to be honest, on that particular video. So I'm I'm glad that they canceled me because, again, I have other boxes that you guys do enjoy watching that are more important, I would say, on the chain of my boxes as far as view times and what you guys want to see, that now knowing how they're going to conduct themselves, I don't want to be a part of. So if you guys want to purchase them, my link will be down below. Same thing. I won't be doing this box again because now I am completely canceled. So this is the last box that I will be doing. And I'm glad. Things always happen for a reason. But again, companies should just appreciate the fact of the time that we put in, us even getting the videos out to show you guys. Yes, I understand the importance because they want you guys to be able to order so you can get that same month if that's the case. But if that's the reason, then you go to us and you say, I would greatly appreciate if you could get our box up by the 15th. So everybody could order and still get that same month if they could. You know, it would be greatly appreciated. Not it is mandatory, and if you don't do it, you're going to be skipped, and if you keep not doing it, you're going to be canceled anyways. Like, who does that? So I'm just so glad that now this is one box that I won't be doing or having to deal with because I am on my own schedule. I do it for you guys, and based on the videos that you guys want to watch, that's the order that I go in. So say la vie, bye-bye, SIPS, bye. So that is what I wanted to tell you guys. I just thought that was completely unfair and I wanted to at least share that with you guys. Plus, this is going to be my last unboxing, so I want to be able to tell that here instead of making a whole new video of it because I'm not into the drama type of things, but I am into bringing real and honesty and the truth to you guys. And this is the truth and the honesty on what happened just now with this particular company and why I will not be having them on my channel. Again, I wanted to maybe get 3 months at a time, do this, you know, show you guys 3 different variations at one time. That I would have been okay with, but to now tell me I have to do it by a specific date or else I'm canceled anyway, c'est la vie. So thank you so much for hearing my little rant, but again, I wanted to only bring you guys the truth and what's going on, and that is what just happened. So I really enjoy this. I watch a lot of other unboxings here and there, and I've never really seen anybody get the same variation because they go by your profile, which I think is amazing because then you're gonna get the teas that you know you want to drink, not just some random stuff that you might not be into, which I do like that. I do like that they have a profile, which is amazing. So again, if you want to check them out, Crafty 5 will get you $5 off, making your first box only $10. So go ahead and comment down below. What did you think of this month's box? Did you like the teas? Do you get this? Did you get any of the same teas? Let me know. All the details down below. If you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss those future videos that I load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.